Here is a picture of a Ferris wheel. It has a diameter of 80 meters. How far does a rider travel in one complete rotation around the Ferris wheel? So let's begin by marking a couple of things up here. It has a diameter of 80 meters. So diameter is the distance all the way across the circle from edge to edge. So that's our diameter, and that's 80 meters. Then it says, how far does a rider travel in one complete rotation around the Ferris wheel? So if we think about what that means, if this is me, right, I'm in this little spot here on the Ferris wheel. When I go around one complete rotation, that's describing circumference. And so basically I'm being asked to find the circumference. So I have two options to find circumference. I can use C equals 2 pi r or C equals pi d. Because I'm given the diameter in the problem, I'm going to choose that one, C equals pi d, as the more efficient option in this problem. So I'll start to fill these things in. Circumference is what I'm looking for, so I'll leave that. I have been asked in the problem, told in the problem, to use 3.14 for pi, so that's what I'll substitute for pi. And then I know that the diameter is given to me as 80. So now I can multiply. These are approximations, so circumference is approximately equal to, when I multiply, I get 251 and 2/10. Now the instructions also say that I need to round my answer to the nearest whole number. So my whole numbers are here, 251, and then I'll look at the next value, which is 2. Because 2 is less than 5, I'm going to round down, keeping in mind that rounding down does not mean going below the value of 251. It just means that 251 will be the approximation that I use for the circumference. If you chose the wrong answer of the circumference equals 251.2, then quite simply you either forgot to round your answer or you forgot how to round your answer. Maybe you didn't understand what the nearest whole number meant, or maybe you just forgot to read the instructions completely and use them to make sure that you had done everything that you were being asked to do.